Yep, it happened. We talked about it.
I told you he would get it. There was a little birdie here Snuggles was like playing with. He finally got a vole. Sorry, Snugs. Oh no, it's a bird.
What?
He's fucking eating a bird. I swear it, honey. I saw a wing.
Well, that's unfortunate. Is that the way it goes?
Hold on a second. Maybe I saw something else. Oh my god, what? What just happened?
Why would it attack a bird
I
next to the
know.
house? It's crazy. I just came in.
Whatever it is, he's super munching down on it. It's so funny, we just...
Oh.
It's a bull. It... Looks like it.
Snuggles,
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, he totally took off.